So in this tutorial I will show this lacy, beautiful and so easy stitch. Look at this stitch, how this stitch. This is really so easy. Really so easy and so beautiful stitch. For this stitch we need multiple of 4 plus 2 for edges. So here I cast on the stitches like this. Base row we slip one and purl all the stitches. Purl all the stitch like this. Last one we also purl, so like this. Row 1 we slip 1, knit 2, 1 and 2, yarn over and knit 2 stitch together to the back loop. Knit 1, knit 2, yarn over and knit 2 stitch together to the back loop. Last stitch we just purl for edge like this. Row 2 we slip 1, purl 2, 1 and 2, yarn over, purl 2 stitch together. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn over, purl 2 stitch together, purl at the end of the row, last stitch for edge. So we repeat row 1 and 2 to the desired length.